Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete review of the best remote desktop software for 2025. Alright, let's begin. The best remote desktop software options in 2025 offer secure remote access, cross-platform compatibility, file transfer capabilities, multi-monitor support, and built-in chat. Some also include session recording, clipboard syncing, and unattended access features. Top tools like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and Chrome Remote Desktop stand out for their speed, reliability, and ease of use. Pros: secure connections with end-to-end encryption, easy setup and user-friendly interfaces, support for multiple operating systems, file sharing and clipboard sync features, good performance even on slower networks. Cons: some tools have limited free versions. Business plans can be costly. Occasional lag depending on internet speed. And it is free for personal use. Paid plans start at $14.90 a month. TeamViewer free for personal use. Business plans begin at $24.90 a month. Chrome Remote Desktop completely free but with basic features. Splashtop starts at $5/month for personal use. Business plans vary. All tools offer different pricing tiers based on usage, features, and team size. For full details, check out their official sites and pricing pages linked below. So that's basically the complete review of the best remote desktop software for 2025. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.